Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. We're doing an unboxing. I have just opened up, took out the door prizes from Gehwol. Check these out. These are the VIP packets of Gehwol foot products. Gehwol is the world's oldest pedicure company in the world, the foot care company, and it's based out of Germany, started in 1868, and they are one of our sponsors for this year's Nail Tech event of the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. You can get tickets right now. Go to nailtechevent.com. All right, let's see what we've got here. Each one of these big packets is gonna be in the VIP bag, so check them out. Look at, we've got the Soft Feet Milk and Honey Cream, salve for cracked skin, lip hydro cream, I don't know if I'm saying that right, callus cream, Fusscraft herbal bath. Love this. This is the bomb. It smells so fresh. It like soaks off all the dead skin, like makes it come off so easy when you foot file. I love the hand cream. The hand cream is also nice. It has a very light, fresh scent. Then we've got Soft Feet Scrub from Gehwol, and then the Fusscraft Leg Vitality. And then we've got Hydro Lipid Lotion, which I haven't tried, so I don't know. And then Fusscraft Blue, which I haven't tried either. It says intensive moisturizing cream for dry, rough, and tired feet. So all of these are gonna be in these little packets. See what Gehwol has sent us for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies. So the VIP Nail Techs who bought VIP tickets will get one whole one of these in each of their bags. So VIP tickets, they always sell out fast. They sold out in less than 10 hours this year after going on sale. Tickets always go on sale after midnight when the ball drops and the clock turns over to the next year. Eastern Standard Time for Gatlinburg, Tennessee, that's when tickets go on sale. And so they all sold out, the VIP ones, they sold out in like less than 10 hours. Last year it was less than 11 hours, so we're getting faster with them selling out. But make sure you come to the Nail Tech event of the Smokies. Get your tickets now. You can get general admission tickets. The price is gonna go up though, May 1st, so you definitely wanna get your tickets now while they're only 55 bucks. And students get in cheaper. And beauty schools registering 5 or more students, they get the cheapest price. So anyway, Nail Techs, go on to nailtechevent.com. Peace out.